All right, so we're in Xi'an, China now, and not the historic part. We've been here for a few days, staying outside of the city in a dormitory attached to the school I work at. We found an apartment in this area. You see all these big apartment buildings, and today we've come into, we can't move in for a few days, but we've come in to a big shopping mall area to just relax, check things out, and see where the places are where we need to buy things for our future apartment. Yeah. This place is called Livat, and it's got everything you need in here. Decathlon, IKEA, lots of places. And it's really hot. It's like 40 degrees Celsius right now. Big apartment blocks. We're gonna be living down this way. But we're gonna go inside and get some food to eat. Here, it's a super modern, really cool mall. All the amenities, a lot of amazing amenities. So we're going to enjoy that. And hopefully in the next few weekends, we can get into the historic city. I can take some video of that as well and share with you awesome photos. We've got Dim Sum University. This is a very nice shopping mall. Super nice and modern. Loving it. What's really cool, this place has all the shops we want, all the stuff we need, so super cool. There's a restaurant we used to really enjoy in Shenzhen, and we're hoping to find that. Here's that restaurant we're talking about. Yeah, we used to eat here all the time in Shenzhen. Some nice long noodles. That was a bit spicy. Maybe some of that Szechuan pepper. So we have the soup that is noodles, and the noodles actually I find kind of look almost. We thought they were mushrooms. Noodles, potato, mutton, and a fish broth. Very yummy. Very good. We've also got the Chinese hamburgers, they're called, which is like a steamed bread, and inside is like pork and onions. Super delicious. These are really good. One of my teaching assistants from my last school told me I would love these, and she was absolutely right. She's the one who taught me about this food. It's a specialty from Xi'an. So this is so good. Inside, I think it's like green onions, very savory, very delicious. Not green onions, it's like paprika. That is a massive Miniso or Miniso. That's huge. Let's go check it out. I don't have my microphones. Hope you can hear me. I'm sitting in a Miniso or Meiso, which is a big, huge kind of Japan themed or inspired shop company in China. It's all over the place. This is the biggest one I've ever been to, and it's also in Malaysia now, because there used to be one in Penang where we used to live. Just checking things out. And Xi'an. All these different surprise boxes. People love collecting miniatures. I don't know most of these. I do know this one though, that's Miffy. So for those of you who may not be aware, my family and I are here in Xi'an, China because I have changed jobs after 2 years in Malaysia. Here we are. We're back in China, our third city, my third school. And yeah, we've only been here for a couple of days. It's been full on, like finding apartments and we've got a lot of visa stuff to do this week. off to a hospital tomorrow for medical checks, which is something all people have to do when they're here to work. Yeah, so we're at this big mall now it's near the area we're gonna be living. We're staying in a temporary accommodation until that place is ready in a few days. And so a lot to explore, a lot to see. Of course, everything's, the Supernatural Japan podcast coming out like that. 2 episodes this week. And I can't wait to hit the old city, the old walled city in the next few weekends and film some great stuff. I'm planning on filming some food vlogs, but what I'm gonna do to kind of up the level, because I really wanna know from kind of an insider's perspective. So I'm gonna hire a guide. I'm gonna hire a local guide to take me around for a day of eating. I'm gonna bring out my new Sony camera for filming and all that stuff, and hopefully I can create some fun and awesome stuff for all of you. So far, we've been here for a few days in Xi'an, and it's been fantastic. The people have been super nice. Just a really great impression so far of the city. Liking it. People have been friendly, people have been helpful, people have been nice. Everywhere we go, liking it. So now, a little pop into KKV, which is similar to Green Party, or Top Toy, or Top Mart. We just went to Decathlon. There's lots and lots of surprise box toys. People love these. These are just all the rage. I don't understand the fascination in China with lots, so it's been like that for years now. They love Crayon Shinchan too, the Japanese anime. They love Crayon Shinchan. Alright guys, I'm in Hema, otherwise known as Fresh Hippo Supermarket, a place we used to shop all the time in Shenzhen. Super convenient, super good, super awesome. Getting a few things we need. Great place. For sure. Oh yes, food delivery orders. Well, that was a fun little jaunt to the mall. Now, wrapping up the day, we went to the supermarket, a place called Huma, Fresh Hippo in English. Their logo is a hippopotamus. I'm walking to a little shop near the place, our temporary accommodations, which are kind of outside of the city. There's nothing around here, but there is a little convenience store not too far away. But I can't film for too long because my phone gets hot. I'm filming this just using my iPhone. It's like 47 degrees Celsius right now, guys. 47 degrees Celsius. This is insane. I was in Malaysia, and then I was just in Osaka for the month of July. And it was hot there, but it wasn't as bad as Malaysia. Malaysia was far more intense. This is different. It's dry, but it's just, even the wind is hot. It's wild. I've never experienced something like this. 47. There is a red alert emergency. We just got our SIM cards the other day, so we've got our phone numbers now, and getting some SMS messages from the government warning people. I get why. So I'm wearing a hat. That's my dad's old hat. So my dad passed away in 2019, and he always wore Tilly hats. And this was the one he wore the most. He wore this all the time. And he had a gray one too, which he had just purchased not that long before he passed away, which I own. But that got shipped with all of our stuff. I didn't think to bring it with me, so it got shipped. And our shipment, which is still sitting in a warehouse in Malaysia. And this one, he gave to my son, Kai, who doesn't wear it. And it was just sitting in a suitcase. And I'm like, Kai, can I borrow your grandpa's hat, man? Because I need it. I'm going to die. You got to cover your head in this. 47 degrees. All right, guys. Well, take care. That's it for this little video. The first kind of little taste of Xi'an, but not the historical cool Xi'an, but more the modern Xi'an nearby where we're going to be living. Hope you enjoyed it. Check the links below. Go check out the Supernatural Japan podcast, guys. I just dropped an episode today. New one coming out on Wednesday, too. 2 this week. And check out my Buy Me a Coffee. You can support once, or there are now memberships. That's right. Links below. Check it on out. Check all the links below. Follow me on the socials, my friends. And I'm going to keep on walking this way to These are all like Japanese cherry trees. And there's a willow. All right, guys, take care. I'm Kevin, currently in China. Bye.